Alright, this is a tutorial on how to create a simple shape twin in Flash CS5. You can also do that same thing in CS4 and CS3, so don't worry about the version. They all work very similar or almost the same. I am here in Flash and I'm gonna play for you the final animation here. This is what you're gonna end up doing. Alright, and now I'm gonna open a new document and show you what it is and how to get that done. So create a new document, ActionScript 3.0, select OK here, and we have our stage. You can say that there's nothing on the timeline right now except for a blank keyframe. We're gonna pick up the rectangle tool right here. I don't need a stroke, so I'm gonna set stroke to none, and I'm gonna pick out the color and draw a rectangle here. Once I have that, I'm gonna go into frame 30 in my timeline, click on that and hit F6 to insert a keyframe. Once I clicked F6, a keyframe is inserted and I can now move this square. This will not affect the first keyframe. The square will still stay in the same position where we had it. However, the one on frame 30 is now moved over there. Now, right now, if you play it, it stays on one frame and then flips to another one, and on frame 30. That's not what we want. We want it to move across the stage, so we're going to right click here on the timeline somewhere on this first keyframe or anywhere before the second one hits, and we're gonna go and say create a shape twin. Once you created a shape twin, you can now preview the animation, and that is the animation that is playing. Now we can also change this shape. As long as it's a shape, make sure it's in properties, it's a shape. We can change the shape color and play that, and that changes color. We can also delete the shape and put in a different shape in, like so, and as long as it's a shape, so I'm going to double click on that and check in properties it's a shape, the arrow is going to be fixed and it's going to work. So we have this going on. So there you go, your first shape twin in Flash CS5, which also works the same on CS4 and CS3.